Want to make any website work offline like an app? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn any website into a progressive web app, PWA, in under 1 minute. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the website you want to make offline ready. Once the site is open, click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Hover over Save and Share, then click Install Page as App or Create Shortcut, depending on your Chrome version. Now, a pop-up window will appear. Just click Install, and the website will open in its own window, just like a regular desktop app. Here's the best part. This PWA automatically caches data, meaning it can still load when you're offline. Perfect for note apps, documents, or blogs that support offline access. And that's it. You've just made any website offline ready using a progressive web app, all in under 1 minute. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.